anything was joining order. Look at this guy. Run the light. Run the light. Wow. LGJ 7869. He's apologizing for that. So for those that don't know, that's the thank you signal. Thank you or sorry. It could be either or when they put the blinkers on. So he's like, he cut me off, but then he apologized for it. So all saying thank you for it. Because I didn't like being an asshole and not let him in. Because I saw he was coming. I could have moved up forward and not let him in. So at least he was thankful for that. Most people don't do that. Shout him out to Nate.
Yeah, but married with children.
Some people get sideswiped.
Yeah, but married with